Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can convert your rows into columns and vice versa on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your spreadsheet and highlight the range of cells you would like to convert from rows to columns. So for example, guys, I would like to have these headers here of these columns to listed to the left, like in rows, for example, from top to the bottom, and do the same for these cells and the value within these cells. This is how you can do it, guys. Simply click into the cell we would like to apply or position your converted table in. So let me go with, I don't know, H5. And after that, double click into it and enter a formula equals to, and then transpose. You will already see the suggestion below, so you can click into it. And now, after the bracket open here, simply enter the number or the number of cells with a double dot. So start with the uppermost, left uppermost cell, which is C5, and close the formula with the closing cell, which is E20. So type in C5, double dot, E20, and close the bracket. Press enter to apply the formula, and there you go. As you can see, your table has been transformed or transposed. In this case here, we see now these columns as rows and these rows as columns with these cells. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.